Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. And today, for the children, the kids, what we're going to be looking at are shapes. Okay, shapes. So what shapes do we have? The common shapes we have is a circle. There's a shape called a circle. It looks like the moon. If you go outside, this is where the circle looks like. It looks like the moon. You know, when you go outside at night, you find a shape that looks like this. The sun looks in this shape. So this is called the circle. Okay, this is called the circle. So circles look like this. Examples of circles is like the moon, the sun. If you are outside, you look at during the day, you find that the sun looks round. That means that is like a circle. Okay. Another example of a circle would be the moon. The moon looks round. It's more like the circle. So a circle is something that looks round. Have you seen this shape? Another example of a shape is this. Is called a triangle. Okay, that's how it looks. It's called a triangle. Okay, the name of this shape is called a triangle. Okay, this is the second shape, a triangle. It always looks like this. You have to master the way they look and be able to draw them. So this is a triangle. Okay, so a triangle just looks in this shape. You should know how to draw it. The third shape we have is a rectangle. Have you seen a rectangle? It is quite longer in the horizontal. It's longer in this direction. Okay, and then it's like that. So usually in a rectangle, these sides are same. This side and also this side, they are always equal. But the longest side are the ones that are on top. This side, can you see what I'm saying? So this side, the one on top, this one, can you see this side? And the one down. Okay, they are always equal. So this side on top and this side down is equal. But have you seen that it looks? This is called a rectangle. A rectangle. Okay, it is longer in the horizontal. In this direction, it's very long. Okay, so you should be able to know how to draw these shapes. The other shape that we have, this is number 3. The other shape that we have is called 4. It's a square. A square has got equal sides. Can you see? It's different from a rectangle. A square has got all sides equal. Okay, so it means this side here is equal to this side. So if this side was 2, meaning even this side it will be 2, even this side it will be 2, even that side it will be 2. So a rectangle, a square is called a what? This shape is called a square. It has got equal sides. Okay, this is different from a rectangle because a rectangle has no equal sides. So it means this side, that side, this side, and this side, they are all equal. Okay, so that's how a what looks like. This is how a square looks like. Okay, another example of the shape, it's actually called, the last one is actually called, the last shape is actually called, the next shape I'm going to write for is called a rhombus. A rhombus looks like this. Okay, it looks as though it's lying down. Have you seen this shape? You see there it looks? It looks as though it's lying down. It's bent. Have you seen there it looks? It is bent. This shape is called a rhombus. Okay, that shape is called a rhombus. That's how it looks like. You need to master the way a rhombus looks like and be able to draw it. So those shapes are called rhombuses. So this is a rhombus. Okay, this is the 5. Okay? Then the last one, 6, is called a trapezoid. So a trapezoid looks like this. Have you seen? This is the way a trapezoid looks like. It's different from the rhombus. A trapezoid looks like this. It's called a trapezoid or trapezium. Okay? Trapezium. It's called a trapezium. So you need to know how to draw these shapes on your own. Be able to master these shapes. Be able to know how to draw them on your own. Okay? So you should know how to draw these shapes by heart, memorize them, practice them over the weekend. Be able to practice until you know how to draw these shapes. So I've come to the end of the lesson for today. Today we're looking at shapes.